Queen Titania in Midsummer. I argue with my fairy husband, King Oberon, and I get enchanted to fall in love with a human with a donkey head. My favourite scene is the one where I'm arguing with Oberon because I get to shout and I get to get angry at him. I think Queen Titania is she's very intimidating as a character. She's also quite regal because she's like a fairy and a queen. But she's also steadfast, she won't let people decide or try and change her opinion in any way. I think my favourite actor is Zendaya because I've kind of grown up watching her. But she also sings and dances, which is some of my favourite things. I think it's gonna be really fun. It's not super serious because a lot of people kind of think Shakespeare's going to be super intense. It's not all that. There's also a lot of fun bits in it. But it's also the costumes, the sets, the characters. It's all fun, vibrant. It's going to be lots of fun to watch.
Performance.
I've got to remember a lot of lines.